Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to the basement. Welcome to our workout. Today we are working on the core. We're going to try to make this workout fairly difficult. Fairly difficult for me, probably maybe fairly difficult for you also. As always, I'm working out with you, so I just do my best to get through these workouts. I treat these workouts like my workouts, and you are just coming along with me for the ride and for a workout. So today, like I said, we have 3 exercises for the core, 3 sets per exercise with about a 30-second break between the exercises. We're starting up with 3 30-second planks to warm up with, basically. So let's get down on the ground and get started right away. We don't waste any time here. We're gonna go for 3 30-second planks, and we're gonna start about 10 seconds. I have a clock going right in front of me. I'm gonna do my best to keep the time correct. Ready? 3, 2, 1, plank position and hold it. Nice and tight. Tighten up that core, tighten up those glutes, and hold everything right here. We're going 3 of 30 seconds on 30-second breaks. If this is too easy for you, you can always, like I said, make them 40, make them 50 seconds when you're not watching this video anymore. We have 10 more seconds left, however, right now, so keep it up. Stay right here. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And we relax for 30 seconds. I know it might seem like a long break. This is a good first exercise to warm up with. We're gonna jump into candlesticks after this, which is gonna be much more difficult than this little warm up. Oh, by the way, my name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. If you don't already know, welcome to the workout. We get started for another set number 2, exercise number 2 in about 6 or 7 seconds. So let's get ready. 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and plank. 30 seconds, just stay right here. Nice and tight and everything. Get that butt in a nice level position. You don't want to be here or you don't want to be there either. Just want to kind of hold it right in the middle. Nice and tight. Keep it up. Halfway done with this second interval, second exercise. We're only going for 3 different exercises. Like I said, 3 sets. Keep it up. We got 5 seconds left. Nice and tight. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right. Whew. Great warm up. And then from here, we're gonna go to the candlestick. Like I said, it's gonna be much more difficult. So enjoy this time right now. All right, we get started in about 15 seconds. Shake it out. I like doing planks to work the entire body, kind of. You can feel your chest and your shoulders and your glutes and your lower back and your core. Everything's gotta stay tight, including those quads. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and hold. It's just 30 seconds. Little less right now. We got this. Keep it up, keep it up. Hold it right here. Don't sag on me, let's go. We got about 10 seconds left right now. Don't sag, nice and tight. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, we're moving on to candlesticks. I'm gonna use my dumbbells to hold myself as a counterweight. You can hold on to whatever is behind your head, if it's a table or a bed or anything else, or any kind of heavy weight. I'm using 2 30-pound dumbbells, and those should be enough to keep me in place. If not, I need to lose some weight. So that's gonna be my position right there, and we're going for 25 candlesticks. Best job that we can. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and go up and down. And that's 1. Up, 2, up, 3, up, 4. This is not gonna be easy for me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way to the sky. 8, come on. 9, 10, 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last 1, and 5. Then roll out of it. It'll take about 30 seconds. And we'll get ready, set number 2. Oh yeah, this one's gonna burn. This one's gonna be tough, but it's gotta be tough, guys. It's gotta be like any other muscle. You wanna build muscle, you gotta challenge those muscles, not by maybe doing 4,000 repetitions. I like those workouts too, but by actually challenging with lower reps. Remember, you build muscle, anything up to about 40 repetitions, as long as you go close to failure. And trust me, like set number 3 of this, I'm gonna be close to failure. All right, guys ready to go? Set number 2, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, keep it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh yeah, I'm starting to feel it. 10, keep it up. 15 left. 10 left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. And roll out of it. And I can tell you right now, this last third set, I'm gonna have a hard time counting. It's getting difficult. All in good fun over nice stronger core, right? That's what we're after. Give yourselves a hand, about halfway done with the workout, but who really cares? We get going about 15 seconds for set number 3. So there's no clock obviously today. You're just following my lead. We're having fun. Workout at home. You can do this as a single workout if you don't have a lot of time. You can do this after you, whatever workout you're doing. Just get that core in there. You want to adjust these a little bit backwards so I don't hit a wall. Hit a wall with my legs because my core has already hit a wall. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, 25. Here we come. 1. Oh, first one seems so easy. 2, 3, 4. Only 20 left. Woohoo! Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fight it, fight it, fight it. 5, 10, 15 left, I should say. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. 4, 5, 10 left. We got this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, championship core. Let's go. 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. And 5. And roll out. Woo! Yeah, oh yeah. Felt that one for sure. I'm not gonna need those dumbbells anymore. I'm gonna take this time to put these away. This is a top quality entertainment right here. All right, these are away. We got 3 sets of Russian twists coming up. So let's get back on the ground. If you're not there already, give ourselves an extra 10 seconds. We're going through 3 sets of 50. You guys ready to go? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Halfway. 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh boy. 2 more sets. These are not going to be easy. That was really, really, really painful, but that's all right. It's a mental game right now. We can just continue to do these. They just hurt a little bit. And so let's do our best to get these done. Do not stop. We'll get going in about, what, 10 seconds? That's what I mean. I look at this clock. When I'm tired, I lose all thought. That's by 30 seconds, right? At least. You guys ready to go? 50. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Legs up if you can. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 30 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Left 1. 10. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got it. Whew. One more set, guys. 50 repetitions. Let's get it done. Get it done with me. We'll get started in about 15 seconds or so. Nice deep breaths, relax that core. We have 50 reps, 50 seconds of work left. It's about a second per repetition. You guys got this? I got this, you got this. Let's challenge ourselves. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Legs up and let's go. Twist. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4. Full twist. 5, 6, 7. Hit. 8, 9. 40 left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go. 20 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Oh yeah. Here we are. You got through it. I got through it. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. I am going to feel this tomorrow. If you do not leave a comment today, leave a comment tomorrow or the day after when the muscle soreness really sets in. Guys, my name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. This is our little basement we've been working out from for almost 6 years right now. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.